Here we go, day one on a full bathroom remodel. Complete tear out, conversion from a tub to a walk-in shower, new vanity floor, you name it. Here we go. Time to head over, pack up some tools, and like usual, scan our gym membership cards and demo this bathroom. Okay guys, let's show you what we're working with here. We love it when our clients do this. I'll show you what they did for us. Usually we work in occupied homes, 98% of the time. So it's nice when we have a customer do something like clearing everything out, won't be home. We have the house to ourselves. We can quickly move from the bathroom into the master bedroom, grab our tools. We're going to cut in here as well. It's going to speed up the time. It is a two-story house. So let's show you here the existing, what we're working with. Really easy demo today. Okay, so here is the master. Got our Schluter set up, nice and organized. Our DeWalt tools, framing a niche. They cleared everything out, covered it with plastic. We have the room to ourselves. We will set up our IQ 7-inch dustless saw here. Remove the vanity, new mirror, new fixtures, new paint, new toilet. And here's your standard fiberglass shell of a shower. One-piece tub. This valve, of course, will be deleted, removed, and raised, tiled to the ceiling. This is going to be a very quick and easy rip out and redo. The only challenging thing is going to be hauling a 400+ pound all-in-one vanity kit. Double sink, cabinet top, up the stair, around the landing. That's going to be a little tricky, but hey, it's a good workout. Alleviates the need for a gym membership. It's time to get to work. So look how low this shower head is. It would be a nightmare for me to try to shower. Oh. It'll be raised up here. Well, there you have it. 1 hour demo, super easy. Fiberglass is always easy. It looks like this floor is going to stay. They were originally wanting us to rip it out and install porcelain, but they have some new vinyl in here, so the floor is going to stay. We're going to focus on the shower, which will include a bench, a niche, and then a vanity. So here it is. Studs are prepped. Let's take a look. Plumb, we're looking good there. Looking good there. And plumb. So it looks like we lucked out on this one, no shimming. Okay, demo's done, time to install the valve, frame the niche. We've got the floor protected. We're gonna shut the water off. Change this out. 12 by 20 is gonna go right here for our niche, 48 inches high. So pre-planning, always important. We want our full tile to end at the sill, the edge of the sill. So quick measurement, measure your pan tile with thin set that goes underneath the pan, as well as thin set that goes underneath your pan tile. Do a little dry set. Here's our Carrera high gloss rectified tile, spaced out, measured that. Do a little bit of math, and we make our cuts here, so that the tile ends at the bottom of the niche, and here as well, and then we frame it out. And then install our prefabricated, already waterproofed Schluter niche. We made our first cuts with the scale. Now we finish it off with the Sawzall here. A lot faster than an impact and screws. We'll quickly get our investment back on this. It'll speed up time, framing out niches, adding blocking for our valves, and of course you got your benches, your curbs, building an extra wall to close up a shower. This speeds up time.